our shared heritage and promise of a better tomorrow. Together with the support of each other and every future.
Through the last 2 years in the position of General Secretary of the People's Islands Forum Secretariat, a commission officer.
Atura sa cukai nambukumbuke santurana Levuka. Korbatu santurana Rotakala. Turana Ratimbureta. Ngabatu turana tiwa Levu. Apa turana sa cukai lesin Boscoviti. Kene angoi Kristo. Na matatagi sa cukai na songgo binasa kanikua. Sana bosa tomantar bosa pa Britania. The chiefs of Ovalau that I've mentioned, the representative from Vodafone, one of our major sponsors for today's event, the Commissioner Eastern Division, distinguished guests, government officials and corporate organizations, ladies and gentlemen, our youth and our children, Bulavinaka, and a very good morning to you all. I am delighted to be here with you all this morning to celebrate the 53rd anniversary of our independence, Fiji Day 2023. All across our nation, Fijians are coming together to remember our proud history and strengthen the bond between the people of this nation. In every division, festivities just like this one are taking place. Our banner of Fiji Blue is being waved in every corner of the country as we celebrate the 53rd year that Fiji has stood as an independent nation. 53 years that we have been responsible for forging our own destiny in the world. It has not been an easy journey, but it is a remarkable achievement nonetheless, and one that should be celebrated extensively. The theme for these Fiji Day celebrations is Rebuilding Fiji Together. The theme resonates well with government's aspirations of chartering a new direction for Fiji and a pledge that through unity, perseverance and shared purpose, we will craft a brighter future for every Fijian. This also highlights government's position that we cannot progress until we have rebuilt trust and unity. We must rebuild an environment of trust and confidence in our business and productive sectors that will respond to their needs. Ladies and gentlemen, and our young people gathered here today, we want to do this with humility, with an openness to criticism, and a willingness to listen. We know that in the term of this government, things will go wrong. We are only human. We will not pretend that we are perfect. We trust the people to understand that not everything will go well. But this is part of rebuilding trust and confidence in public participation in government. And good leadership must be at the core of every government. As a small island state, we have portrayed our footprints globally and displayed our unity as a nation. This was apparent when everyone from all walks of life came together to rebuild this country. Government is committed to enhance its relations with our regional and international development partners, who had particularly assisted with humanitarian support during these trying times. Also, in helping the Fijian communities in the aftermath of natural disasters in an effective way. We wish to assure you that this government is for the people. There is ongoing program of service delivery to the Fijian people. Furthermore, Government will continue to improve access to such necessities as healthcare, strengthening education opportunities, improving access and quality of the roads and maintenance. Ladies and gentlemen, the current stance by government in ensuring that everyone is adequately supported across our beloved nation has never been better and is generating the current prosperity that we are determined to extend to every Fijian. Yet again, the Fiji Day celebrations is not only a time of reflection about our 53 years of history as an independent nation, but also envisioning for a brighter future that beckons now. As a sovereign state, we have shown great resilience by overcoming many challenges along the way. This has only been made possible by the people of this country that have called Fiji their home. Those who have labored long and hard to build the country to what it is today. Today's celebration is for you and the contributions you have made to making Fiji what it is now. Fiji is a home to many, and with our inclusive theme of rebuilding Fiji together, we should all unite and celebrate our state's independence. The government is positive that it has provided the right environment to improve relations amongst the different ethnic groups in the country. We can build a better Fiji if we change our minds and attitudes and respect each other as citizens of this beloved country. We are unique because we all live in harmony in this beautiful country we call Fiji. We can only improve from here on end if we work together. On that note, it is my humble pleasure to officially open the Fiji Day celebrations for your division. This is your division, so let's enjoy the celebrations together. Thank you. May God bless you all, and may God bless Fiji. Happy Fiji Day. Go Fiji, go.
Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.